Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV23. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV23 is losing suction while you're cleaning, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises when the motor becomes blocked or worn out over time. If left unchecked, it can lead to more significant damage, resulting in costly repairs or the need for a complete replacement. To resolve this problem, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and possibly some adhesive if needed. First, ensure your Dyson SV23 is unplugged and lay it on a clean, flat surface. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Make sure to keep track of all screws in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back panel to expose the internal components. You should now be able to see the motor. The faulty component is likely the motor itself, which can be recognized by visible wear or dust accumulation. To extract the motor, unplug any cables that are connected to it, being cautious not to damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the cables, unscrew the motor from its housing, applying gentle force to avoid damaging anything else. Once removed, replace it with the new motor, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the cables, double-checking that they are securely attached and in the correct orientation. After the motor is securely in place, replace the back panel and reinsert the screws. Make sure to tighten them adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. To finish, plug in your Dyson SV23 and turn it on to ensure that it's functioning correctly and the suction issue has been resolved. If you notice any problems during this process, it might be best to seek professional help. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and ensure that no debris is blocking the motor. Additionally, avoid using your vacuum on excessively large debris that could lead to motor wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.